Hi folks, this is EDC at Sofa channel. Few notes on Gerber sliding multipliers. So those are Gerber Diesel, Gerber MP 600 and Gerber Flick. All three multi-tools with sliding mechanism, plier opening sliding mechanism. So you will find that many folks suggesting that this tool should be opened like this. Okay, so this is not the best way, by my opinion, to open this tool. Just use gravity. Press the two buttons and tool will open. See that? No, you didn't. Sorry. Just that. See that? And another note on closing Gerber Flick. Gerber Flick has something slightly different plier mechanism. So when closing it, you need to close the handles first. Do not try to close to slide pliers inside before handles are closed, fully closed. So press the... no, I jam it. See that? That way. If you try to close, to slide in pliers before handles are closed, you will jam the tool. See that? So you need to apply force to open it again. So just to that way. Okay, that's it.